Let's find what moves you. Cars.co.za.
Hello! Welcome back to the Cars.co.za YouTube channel. My name's Chiro de Siena, and I've been given the awful task of drag racing an M3 Touring today against my esteemed colleague, friend, and car whisperer, Dave Taylor, who's in the new C63. This is quite a cool matchup.
The C63, the car that everyone loves to hate, because yes, there's no V8, there's no soul, but there's no denying that this 2-litre turbo petrol hybrid is an absolute monster. 500 kilowatts, over 1,000 Newton meters.
So, what have I got here? The S58 motor, 3-litre straight six, of course, 390 kilowatts, and a lot of Newton meters. Dave, how's your little C63 there with your little 2-litre motor?
Look, I miss the V8 as much as everyone else, but there's no denying that this thing is an absolute monster in a straight line.
Tell our lovely audience how much your car costs, Dave.
I think for the same price you can buy Durban.
So about 2.3 for yours before options, about 2.3 for mine. Mine has some bits and pieces, and I've subscribed to the carbon ceramic discs, which are 190,000 Rand. But then for them to work, you have to put in your credit card details.
Yeah, and I've just had to basically do a commercial pilot startup sequence checklist to get this thing ready to do a drag race. Like, what happened to the days where you could just engage race mode and then go?
Oh, you're lucky. I have to send a motivational email to Munich to get this thing to launch. So listen to this exhaust in normal drive, then hit M2. Now listen to it. Oh! What do the British say? Rorty. We don't say that in South Africa. We use proper words. Okay, dude, if the German car gods are with me and I get my launch control right, that Merc doesn't have a hope.
3, 2, 1, go!
No, he's outlaunched me. Come on, electricity. Toodaloo! No, he's just got me. No!
Million kilowatts, million Newton meters, complicated hybrid drive system. Still gets absolutely wiped the floor with by an old-fashioned straight six turbo.
Once he's got that launch control figured out, he just pips me.
That C63 is the biggest mistake Mercedes has ever made.
Look, in AMG's defense, they were told basically that the world is moving towards low-emission hybrid powertrains. So I think they'll backtrack very soon.
Yeah.
Let's try it again.
3,
Preparing launch control. Launch control active!
Come on, AMG.
Oh, he got the jump on me there!
What a launch. I've got him. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
He's pulling away!
Oh, he's coming, but I've got him this time.
And he got me!
Yes! Splash one for the AMG. Yes! Yes, yes, yes!
Ah, you got me, Dave, there, Dave. I lost a bit of traction off the line.
Oh, I feel like that's a bit of redemption. I am so pleased.
Phew! Do you know what? For some reason though, right, even though this is an xDrive and I've got it in sport, 4-wheel drive sport, right, it's still, the rears still break traction under launch control. Okay, let's try one more time. Let's go!
3, 2, 1,
Oh, I just got my launch control late there.
Come on. No, no, no. Got him, got him, got him, got him, got him, got him, got him.
I'm reining him in. He's got 1,000,000 Newton meters, but I'm coming back. Yeah. Whoa. I don't know who won.
That was very close. Wow.
Dude, my launch control, it seems like the preparing the launch control thing, that doesn't seem to be a set amount of time.
Yeah, mine squirreled and started going a little sideways. That was a little bit terrifying.
Dude, how do you have 1,000,000 kilowatts, 1,000,000 Newton meters, a massively complicated drivetrain, and I still was reeling you in?
Because my batteries are heavy.
All right, DVT, let's have some fun. I think let's try get to 30. I'll call 3, 2, 1, and then bury your right foot. Let's go. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, hit the rear limiter there. Wow, that electric assist is awesome. Ah. Yep, that's what 1,000 Newton meters does.
Fun to do this all day, but we have run out of track time. Okay, I'm happy to concede that the C-Class rolling race, the Merc wins.
Are you looking for a bakkie? Cars.co.za.
Die ene sneek nie.
Cars.co.za. You looking for a transie? Cars.co.za. This one is so fancy. Cars.co.za. Minibus or just a mini, a Couchese or a G-string. That's a E463 series. All you got to do is type Cars.co.za. 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 Let's find what moves you. Cars.